you in a them concrete town, but your spirit a volcano fire, gonna burn them down higher and higher. Word sound power rising, every voice uniting. Chant down Babylon walls, hear the ancestors call. Them say you're small, them say you weak. Them words just a trick and a bleed. But a lion roar deep inside your soul, gonna make them lose all control. Word sound power rising, every voice uniting. Chant down Babylon walls, hear the ancestors call. Yeah. No fear, no doubt, no more delay. Rasta man say come what may. Open your mind, open your heart wide. Let the truth be your guide. Word sound power rising, every voice uniting. Chant down Babylon walls, hear the ancestors' calls. Them say them wise, but them folly a show. Me see the system a crumble and blow. Babylon walls gonna tumble low. Ancient wisdom gonna make us grow. Chant down Babylon, hear the rhythm sounding strong. Chant down Babylon, where we truly belong. Chant down Babylon, singing freedom song. Chant down Babylon, righting every wrong. Rastafari know the truth unfeigned. From creation story it's explained. No fear, no doubt, our spirit unchained. Only pure love in our heart retain. Chant down Babylon, hear the rhythm sounding strong. Chant down Babylon, where we truly belong. Chant down Babylon, singing freedom song. Chant down Babylon, righting every wrong. From the roots we rise, never bowed. No chains can hold us, no longer allowed. Spirit of ancestors speaking out loud, break every barrier from the ignorant crowd. Chant down Babylon, hear the rhythm sounding strong. Chant down Babylon, where we truly belong. Chant down Babylon, singing freedom song. Chant down Babylon, righting every wrong. the sun, you reap what you sow. Chant it loud, chant it true. Elder roots are guide you through. Hear the rhythm, feel it true. Wisdom from the elder roots. Them say Babylon now break the tree, strong like the mountain. Roots run free. Lion heart a beating on me chest, you see. Feed the journey long, but me destiny. Rise up, not take defeat. The chant of the fire, the drum, the heartbeat. Chant it loud, chant it true. Elder roots are guide you through. Hear the rhythm, feel it true. Wisdom from the elder roots. Place. Roots hold firm to the trials face. Me now bow down to the wicked pace. Elder wisdom, the saving grace. Concrete jungle on me, Babylon them scheming, but the ancestral drumming, yeah, hear it keep beating, hear the rhythm calling from the mountain high, never ever falling beneath the wicked sky. Oh Zion, oh Zion, chant of redemption, Lion of Judah, rise with conviction, spirit burning bright, eternal flame, guiding us to light, speak his holy name. Them try to shackle we mind with them empty promises, but true wisdom we find in ancient prophecies. Every soul a fighter, every heart a son, chasing after higher until the battle done. Oh Zion, chant of redemption, Lion of Judah, rise with conviction, spirit burning bright, eternal flame, guiding us to light, speak his holy name. say the journey begin. Peter tell me rise up strong. Every heart find where it belong. Drums of the deep night calling me so. Waves are crash but me still hold. Drums of the deep night make me rise. Truth in the rhythm open me eyes. Them say the stars are map, me say them guide. Footprints in a sun where the spirit abide. We not chant rhythm, ancient and true. Deep call unto deep, me heart break through. The rhythm say fight, the rhythm say pray. Hold the line till the break of day. Drums of the deep night calling me soul. Waves are crash but me still hold. Drums of the deep night make me rise. Truth in the rhythm open me eyes. Lion stride, wisdom deep, it now go high. Roots them strong, from Zion tide. Them call him the Grassland prophet. Him voice make the storm get quiet. Oh Jaja guide him step through the hills and valley. Nah no fret, him carry the fire, the truth, the net. Grassland prophet, him nah forget. Oh, oh, oh. River flow but it nah go bend. Time like circle, it nah go end. Him see the wicked, him nah pretend. Them can't stop him, nah condescend to truth and light. Him always send. Them say who is this man, who him be? Him say me just the breeze from the banyan tree. Oh Jaja guide him step through the hills and valley. Nah no fret, him carry the fire, the truth, the net. Grassland prophet, him nah forget. Them can't bind the wind, can't chain the wave, can't lock the spirit where Jaja gave. Him say live for the love, live for the brave. Grassland wisdom, it nah forget. It nah forget. Ooh. Concrete jungle Babylon, stealing souls from the morning sun. Children hungry, mama crying. Them a fight, but them still denying. Misky called Rocksteady river, flowing deep forever and ever. Wash away the lies and pain, bringing forth the truth again. Rastaman chanting the wilderness, seeking out the righteousness. Chains are breaking, spirit rising. No more fear, no compromising. One love, one heart, tearing Babylon apart. Mystic on Rocksteady river, flowing deep forever and ever. Wash away the lies and pain, bringing forth the truth again. Jah know my struggle, my soul's desire, burning bright like a sacred fire. Open my eyes, let me clearly see. Set my people truly free. Still glow. They on the corner where the elders know. Truth in a rhythm it can't overthrow. Rise up the spirit, make the lion roar. This year revival can't ignore. The great truth revival, feel it in your soul. The great truth revival, make the broken whole. The great roots revival, Jah love take control. Them chase the shadow but the light still there. Wisdom flow like river, it can't be traced. From the mountain high to the ocean spray. Every seed them plant it a grow same way. Heart of the drum make the truth unfold. This year revival, the story told. Of the great roots revival, feel it in your soul. Of the great roots revival, make the broken whole. Of the great roots revival, Jah love take control.
Ancient winds a blow, make your spirit know. Roots dig deep, deeper than stone. Chant down Babylon, make them see freedom right on the old fig tree. Oh, valley of sacred echoes, of the hills, the fire and flame. Oh, valley of sacred echo, make me hold me heart a beat to the drum of the soul. Hey. Them hills attack, them mountains sing, every leaf a wisdom, every bird a king. River run slow, but the lesson cling. True no hide, you can't buy the thing. Lift up your voice, let the spirits flow. They mention chants, we are take them slow. Oh, valley of sacred echo, call me name, the rhythm of the hills, the fire and flame. Oh, valley of sacred echo, make me hold me heart a beat to the drum of the soul. Up on the hilltop where the lions sleep, wisdom a grow like roots them deep. Stars them shine like Jah, watching we. Zion breeze, it a blow me soul, carry me higher where the rivers roll. Zion breeze make me heart feel whole. Them say the struggle heavy like iron chain, but the breeze come sweep where the fear and pain. Jah light a guide me through the stormy rain. Oh, me say rise up high. The mountain calling, make the spirit fly. Oh, high. Zion breeze, it a blow me soul, carry me higher where the rivers roll. Zion breeze make me heart feel whole. Ragamuffin walk with the fire inside. Babylon crumble, them can't take me pride. Have to move forward, can't take no slide.